let it be commerce, let it be arts, उनके लिए tech field है. We at Sunstone have partnered with different colleges where you come from any background, you can shift to technical. So once you start reading those books, you can get an initial interest.
We have Professor Dr. Chitra Kaul with us. Hello ma'am, how are you?
I'm good.
So thank you so much ma'am for joining us live today. So ma'am has a PhD in internet security. She is a tech faculty and she has 24 years of experience in guiding and mentoring students, helping them in successful careers in the tech industry.
जो भी बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने सोचा कि हम BCA कर सकते हैं बट वो नॉन टेक बैकग्राउंड से है, लेट इट बी कॉमर्स, लेट इट बी आर्ट्स, अगर उनको कोई इंटरेस्ट है एंड उनके लिए टेक फील्ड है, डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटीज़ का एडमिशन क्राइटेरिया डिफरेंट है. सो इफ़ यू टॉक, देयर आर सर्टेन यूनिवर्सिटीज़ दे टेक अप एन एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन. जो एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन होता है बच्चे उसको क्रैक करके अपना एडमिशन ले सकते हैं. कुछ कॉलेजेस में होता है कि दे टेक मैथ्स एज अ सब्जेक्ट जो उनको चाहिए ही चाहिए. सो एक एग्जाम लेके मैथ्स का दे कैन टेक एडमिशन टू दैट. बट हियर आई वुड लाइक टू टेल ऑल ऑफ यू, like we at Sunstone have partnered with different colleges where you come from any background. If you're an art student and if you have a commerce background, you can shift to technical. And the colleges, that is Sage University Indore, JECRC University in Jaipur, RBU in Mohali, these are the colleges which take the students from any background. So that is a thing that will clear your doubt. So any background you can switch to a technical, that is a course, that is BCA. So for them, I would suggest that they should take up a programming skill, like simple programming जो हम कह सकते हैं, programming in C कर सकते हैं, फिर आगे Java कर लें, फिर आगे जो भी उनको इंटरेस्ट हो थोड़ा आगे करते हैं, like small steps they can take, एक चीज़ करते करते and they can learn these languages. And now if you think कैसे करें, so the first thing is you can take it the help of the YouTube. आजकल YouTube पे आपके पास बहुत ही फ्रेंडली कोर्सेज हैं, जैसे बिगनर फ्रेंडली हैं, आप अपनी पेज पे आप कर सकते हो and you can do any certification courses also. So all these things are there these days. Apart from that, you can even take the help of books, like if I name few of them, like Programming in C by Balaguru Swami, Operating System by Galvin, anything that will help you for the initial beginning. So you can start reading those books. So once you start reading those books, you can get an initial interest and you'll be ready for taking up this course with more enthuse.